Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Brandy, and I'm back with another video.
Okay.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
As y'all can see, this is gonna be a hair tutorial, and don't mind my little chicken shit, my chicken little hairs in the front, because I burned my hair off when I had this quick weave, but it's going back, you see me. And y'all, I use that Cardi B hair mask, and it just got my hair growing so good and thick. I highly recommend. So what I be using is Eco Styler. I like the red kind. I think this is like castor oil or something. You're gonna need a wig brush, some edge control. I think edge booster is the best edge brush to swoop, and a hard brush and optional flat irons. Okay, so the first thing I do is brush my hair all to the back, and you're gonna need a hair tie too, don't forget that. I just brush my hair all to the back, brush them. Then I just got irritated because I don't know why, I just did. And then y'all see I use the back of the hard brush to apply the Eco to my hair, and I'm just doing that, trying to get as slick as I can, brushing, and don't mind my hair because I know it's busting. So then that's me brushing back my thoughts and everything. That shit hurt it. And yeah, so after then, I like to keep those little hairs out in the back, and then I just tie my hair in a bun to the back right quick so that I could like brush it back and get the edges out. Cause when I wear back ponytails, I like to leave out a lot of edges because, as y'all can see, my head is big as fuck, and that's me taking out the bun so that I can properly put the ponytail in. Then I found the better wig brush. Just brush it out, you know, brush. And that's me, guys. It took me 800 times to finally get. That's me finally getting the perfect ponytail. I was mad. I wanted to fight, but that's how it turned out. Before I did the edges, it's so cute with my little hair. And then I plugged up the flat irons. Make sure y'all wash out that Eco out y'all edges, because that's how my hair got burnt, and that's why it's short, because I kept flat ironing it with freaking edge control on my hair when I had a leave out. And that's me just arguing in the mirror to myself. I don't know why I need help, but I'm just curling my edges. I mean, I like to curl them so it's easier to, you know, swoop and stuff like that. If y'all don't do that, I highly recommend. That's me curling a little back so it'll look straight and stupid. Me swooping. I love edges. That's my favorite part ever, is to swoop the edges. It's just so fun. But I did something basic because I had to go to work, and it was literally 3:50, and I had to be to work at 4. You know I don't give a fuck, but that's me swooping the edges, and then this is the finished product. It was so cute. Just simple to go about your day. For more hair videos, just comment down below, but please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time.